Hi guys, it's Whitney here from BYO Playground, where we feature the best in playground equipment made right here in the United States. I'm super excited to roll out July's Playground of the Month sale. You guys are gonna love it. So without further ado, let's get started. For July's Playground of the Month sale, we're featuring Slide and Seek. This structure features nearly a dozen different playground equipment components and can accommodate up to 45 children ages 2 to 12 years old. At 40% off plus free shipping, this playground structure is perfect for a variety of organizations, including parks, schools, and churches. You can take advantage of this playground equipment sale by clicking on the link in the description below. We feature plenty of other forms of playground equipment, site amenities, dog park equipment, and anything you may need for your outdoors and recreation space. Hope to see you there.